Hi everyone, welcome back to Men Can Cook. Today we're gonna make a Chinese dish called shrimp noodle soup. I'm gonna go over the ingredients for you guys. So first ingredient is of course the noodles. I'm gonna focus on it so you can see what kind of noodles it is. It's Oriental style noodle pasta. And then the next thing we need is like stir fry vegetables. We have broccoli, carrots, beans, pea pods, chestnuts, and some other vegetables. And we have some thawed shrimp. So we're making the soup for two people. So we have like about 7, 8 shrimps, and we have about 100 grams of vegetables. I'm going to go over the ingredients in the description. Then we have about 100 grams of the noodles, and we have cilantro, and we also have scallion. So that's the cilantro is for garnishing. Then we have the soy sauce, some salt, black pepper, and we have sesame oil, which you need to buy like a seasoned one. And then we have some garlic. That's all for ingredients. We need some water and some oil for sauteing the vegetables. Alright guys, we're gonna take a pan in which we're gonna put some water. So I have about 4 cups of water in this, 3 to 4 cups. You can put more or less depending on how much noodles you're cooking. And we're gonna bring it to boil first. Alright guys, while the water is coming to boil, we're gonna cook the shrimp because this is raw shrimp that we took. So I'm gonna put it in a pan and let it cook for a couple of minutes. So we're cooking the shrimp without any oil, and as you can see it's gonna start turning a little bit red as it gets cooked. Alright guys, our shrimp is cooked, so we're gonna basically turn the heat off and take out the shrimp from this, and we're gonna use the pan for sauteing the vegetables. Guys, as you can see, the water is coming to the boil, so I'm gonna put the noodles, pasta noodles in it, or Chinese noodle. I'm gonna just put them on the side and let them slide in. As it gets hot and they start to cook, they're gonna slide inside by themselves. You can see that happening. Once they're all in, I'm gonna cover it and lower the heat. All right. You guys can see the noodles are getting cooked. So the way to test it is like I'm gonna take out one noodle when it is properly cooked and show you how easily it breaks. It's not ready yet, but it starts to become a little bit translucent when it is cooked. So we're gonna keep cooking it a little bit more. Alright guys, I've put like a 1.5 teaspoon of oil for sauteing the vegetables. I'm gonna add some vegetables and saute them. If you want, you can add some cumin seeds to it, but I'm not doing that for now. I'm gonna cover the vegetables so that they cook for 1 or 2 minutes. I'm gonna add some salt to taste and black pepper. I'm also gonna add the garlic. Alright, as the vegetables get cooked, I'm gonna add the scallions or the spring onions. And I'm gonna also add the shrimp so that it gets coated in with the salt and the pepper, and I'm also gonna add the soy sauce to it. I'm gonna add some soy sauce. Alright guys, I'm gonna show you the most important thing for making this soup. So first we're gonna take two bowls in which we're gonna make the soup. We're gonna add a little bit of sesame oil to the bottom of both the bowls. It's very important to do it this way. So once you have done that, then we're gonna basically take the noodles that we have ready and put them into the soup. You can use fork or you can use chopsticks. So I added the noodles to one soup. Now I'm gonna put it in the other soup too. Alright, so you can add more depending on how much you want in your soup. And I'm gonna do it with this one too. Alright, so we got noodles in both the bowls. I'm gonna equalize them. Now I'm gonna add the vegetables that we cooked and the shrimp on top of it. Alright, so I'm gonna add some shrimp, some veggies, and I'm gonna do it to the other one too. Add some veggies that we cooked and the shrimp, and the veggies go in. And now the important part is to add the hot water from the noodle soup. So that's really important. So our soup is ready. I'm going to garnish it with the cilantro a little bit on both the soups, and I'm going to show you how it looks. So as you can see, you're going to mix the noodles and the veggies together and the cilantro. So this is how your noodle soup is going to look. It's all done. Time to enjoy.